Alright, just real quick before the video starts, if you guys are interested in a t-shirt, it's available at jonathanharder.com. I have all different sizes, so if you guys want to check it out, go ahead. Link will be in the description. And let's get back to the video. What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So today is the day that we're going to get a quick update of the Mustang, hopefully. I'm going to try and ask him if I can go ahead and record, but we'll see what goes down. Today I am going to give him my GT500 rear bumper, which is right there. So first thing I need to do is open that and try and fit it in the Focus, and then we're going to take that and go to the body shop and give it to the guy, and then he's going to go ahead and put it on the car. So first things first, let's go ahead and get it out of the package and go from there. Alright, change of plans. We are actually putting the bumper in my dad's truck, and we're just going to leave it in the wrapping for now and then just take it in over there. Alright, we got the bumper inside the truck, ready to go. The truck is so loud. Alright, let's go. Got the bumper in the truck. Now I'm gonna try and ask the guy if I can go ahead and record the Mustang, see what update is. Hopefully the rear bumper is off, that way we can see what's underneath the Mustang and see what the damage looks like under there. So let's go to the shop. Alrighty, and we are back at the shop. Car's not sitting over here, so it looks like it's in the shop. Let's go take a quick look. Alright, so real quick, I'm going to take it out of the package to see if everything's good, and that way they don't have to take it off too. So what I'm going to do now is just take the plastic off. Alrighty, there we have it. We got the GT500 bumper. This is actually pretty nice. So alrighty, here's my bumper. Here's all the pieces that... Alrighty, so he actually let me go ahead and record. I'm pretty excited. So here's the update. This is the car right here. It's in the paint booth right now. I think they're gonna go ahead and paint like the quarter panels and stuff. Oh, look at that. So I guess they reused that and just straightened it out and fixed it instead of buying a whole new one. So they're gonna go ahead and paint that. I guess that's what they're gonna do right now. Took the taillights out. I think they're gonna go ahead and paint the bumper as well. But this is what the car looks like. But yeah, I'm excited to get it fixed.
Inside, on the back, rear body panel, the quarter, all that stuff at once, and there's your template there.
The what?
There's your template here.
Oh, here it is.
This will go in the booth with it.
Is that, they got this from online too?
That came off as a used part, came off a Mustang somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But we'll do that inside now, the stand rotates and flips. So.
Yeah. One thing I was gonna ask is the spoiler that I had on the car. Are you guys gonna put that back on here too? Okay, perfect. That's what I was worried about.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
How did you? Were you the one that took the bumper off and everything, or no? Oh, so you didn't see how bad the damage was inside? So this is like all the pieces right here.
Oh, this is your old bumper.
Oh boy.
And then as far as the metal piece, I would say the metal piece is probably your
Yeah.
That's the one that was in there. Louise and that stuff.
Okay, sweet.
But that's the one that came off.
Oh, that's the one that came off that one?
Yeah, that's a stock one.
Okay. Sweet.
I mean, they're kind of waiting on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, once I get everything painted, so once I get the bumper, all that stuff painted, then he'll put everything back together.
Yeah.
Yeah, so once it's all painted, hopefully I'll get it painted this afternoon, and then so tomorrow he'll put it all back together and probably get painted tomorrow the next day.
Whoa, no way.
Hopefully, if he's got all his parts.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, that's all spray mask. The overspray.
Yeah.
And it's in the shop. This is like a coating that gets sprayed on there.
Oh, okay.
And then it washes off, turns to soap.
This didn't take long at all. I thought it was going to take a long time for it to be like...
Well, I mean, it's been there for a week at least.
That is true, I guess, yeah. So I know that the exhaust on the left was kind of messed up. Yeah. Did they fix that, do you know?
I believe so.
Okay. Yeah, I was going to say, because it looks like even. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what happens when we get the bumper.
Yeah.
Because then you got this little
right?
cutout
Yeah.
Bumper,
How'd you guys straighten this? With like a machine or something?
When he pulled that rear body panel, so this has all been replaced. This piece has been replaced.
Which piece?
This whole section. So this is all the, you see all this new seam seal?
Oh yeah.
So he drilled out all the spot welds and took that whole back of the car off. So once he did that, then he was able to just pull that out.
Okay. It's too bad you guys don't paint the whole car, because I wanted to do, because there's like paint chips up here and all that crap. Yeah. And like the hood stretched a little bit, so I wanted to paint the whole car. And I asked him and he said you guys didn't do that, and I was like,
yeah, typically we try to stay away from it.
Yeah.
We get too busy.
Alright, so they went ahead and they let me record inside, which was awesome. I even talked to the painter and one of the guys inside, and they told me everything about the car and what it looked like and everything. We are leaving right now. But yeah, so that's the update. And he said it's gonna take like maybe 2 more days to fix the whole car. So I'm gonna have my car this week. So I'm so excited. The exhaust and everything, I was worried that they might not fix it since it's like an exhaust and everything, but I figured it's a body shop, so they fix everything, which they went ahead and did, it looked like. So that's a plus. However, one thing I do need to go get right now is I have to go to Ford real quick and I have to buy a wire harness like holder that's like connected to the bumper, and it's gonna be like $100 or something. When I bought the rear bumper, it didn't come with it, and the one that was on my bumper snapped in half, so I need to grab one. So I need to go to Ford right now and get one, and then come back and give it to them. But other than that, everything's looking good. They're doing it so quick. Everything's looking good, and I can't wait to get my car back finally fixed, ready to go. So without further ado, let's go to Ford, grab the piece, and then just come back to this shop. Alrighty, so basically what happened was I went to the Ford dealership and they're not going to get the part till Wednesday, so I have to wait till Wednesday to go ahead and grab the part and then send it back to the body shop. So that's that. Again, if you guys want a t-shirt, it's available at jonathanharder.com. T-shirts are still available, black and white. And that's going to pretty much wrap up this video. Everything's still looking good. The next video that you guys see either might be me getting the car, or I'm going to the track with Amjad. So me finishing the car will be either next video or the next video after that. Make sure to stay tuned. I'm excited. Everything's looking so good and everything's going quick, and that's what I like. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the button. And like always guys, have a great day. Peace.